All right. Hello, everybody. It is me, Lady Hell, there, and I am from the Hostmasters. And today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be submitting our podcast to TuneIn. That's the last place that I'm going to be showing you where to submit your podcast because I'm tired of submitting podcasts today. But if I've come up with any more, see any more that I think is beneficial, because most other people who have podcast sites, they pull from either Apple, Google, Spotify, or something like that. Anyway, they use their APIs. Well, anyway, so now we're gonna go ahead and submit our podcast to uh, whatever I said. Tune in. So basically, you go to tunein.com. Right. Once you go there, down there, you're gonna scroll all the way down to where it says broadcast. Oh well, broadcasters, podcasters. I mean, we don't want the community. It might say submit. Okay, publish a podcast. So you enter your email address there. I'm gonna enter my email address. Podcast title. The host master podcast. Okay, host name. Host the host masters. Okay. Your RSS feed. That there. Country, language, English. Where don't got English? Oh, there we go. English. Okay. Website is https hostmasters.com. Genre, business. Email, we'll just use this. That's fine. Twitter, social, PR. Okay, we're not gonna put that. Okay, I accept terms and conditions. Then I'm gonna submit. Okay, and it says thank you for contacting and tune in. They're gonna send you a good wholesome email. When they send you a good wholesome email, so gmail.com. Normally it takes about 3 to 5 days for you to get approved on that. Okay. All right, that's Stitcher there. Oh, that's that asked me to verify ownership of that was Google. Okay, and normally maybe we done clicked on it too fast, or sometimes it goes to the spam box. But we should get an email there asking us. I don't know what that is. But anyway, we'll get an email shortly from TuneIn that'll say thank you for submitting, and then after a while you'll see it on there. And like if you look up like podcasts, like like I had like E.G. Hell. Let's podcast. Oh yeah, the one that's got fun. Okay, they go to E.G. Hell podcast there. Okay. And these are old episodes that aren't available anymore. Unless they're and come back later. Okay, yeah, he on that, so that's still on there. I don't have to redo his. Let me look up mine's. Crystal. There you go. Social marketing and all that good stuff with Crystal Hale there. Okay, and as you see, I've been on TuneIn for a while. Well, this one. And that's how it comes up. Hello, this is a power chat. Okay, so I have my power chats and all that good stuff. But as you see, as you upload, TuneIn up. Most of them uploads once a day, and excuse me, Spotify and whoever else uploads like when you upload. Okay, so all right, so happy broadcasting. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. God bless. Oh yeah. If you need domain registration, VPS, dedicated, undedicated, you need cloud solutions, or whatever the case may be, you can always go visit us at www.xehostmasters.com and get your streaming hosting services.